Welcome to our guide on how to celebrate your journey into parenthood with your beloved pet on Facebook. Let's explore the steps together. 1. Begin by launching the Facebook app on your Android device. 2. Tap on the What's on Your Mind section to start sharing your special news. 3. Scroll down and select Life Event to mark this significant moment. 4. Choose Family from the options provided. 5. Select Parenthood to acknowledge the joy of having a pet in your family. 6. Enter a title to introduce your pet and add the date to commemorate this meaningful occasion. 7. Tap Next at the top right corner to move forward. 8. Utilize the audience selector to decide who you want to share this exciting news with, whether it's fellow pet lovers, friends, or family. 9. Finally, tap Post at the top right corner to announce your parenthood journey with your furry friend to your Facebook connections. By following these steps, you can showcase your love and companionship with your pet as you embark on this special chapter of parenthood. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this guide has been helpful in explaining how to celebrate parenthood with your pet on Facebook. Share your joy and cherished moments with your social network as you embrace the love and happiness that comes with having a pet in your family. Celebrate your furry companion and the bond you share by sharing your parenthood journey with your Facebook community.